Electrochemistry, very short answer questions for CBSE boards, intermediate public examinations, class 12. Okay, now all states of India. You can watch this and you can learn this. Here I am going to explain you how to write the answer. In brief, I will explain the concept also. Fine. This is your Lakshma Reddy sir and you are with electrochemistry. Very short answer questions. Question number 1. Have patience. Keep a bottle with you of water. Have some water, drink some water. 16 questions we are going to discuss very short. So it will be a minimum 15-16 minutes video. Right? Chalo yaar, get ready. What is a galvanic cell? Give one example. The electrochemical cell which converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called galvanic cell. The simple example is zinc by Zn plus 2, copper plus 2 by copper. Whatever you are writing at left hand side, it undergoes oxidation. Right hand side, it undergoes reduction. And for this, if you want to add extra, EMF of this particular cell is 1.1 voltage. If you want to add extra, you can go with this. Coming to second question. Write the chemical reaction used in the construction of the Daniell cell together with the half cell reaction. See the same Daniell cell. So here you write down zinc gives rise to Zn plus 2 electrons. It is oxidation. Copper plus 2 electrons. It is reduction. When you mix these two, you will be getting this reaction. 2 marks, na? You can write this single line equation also. That's enough. Name the 2 half cell reactions that are taking place in the Daniell cell. Same. Here we have written this is oxidation reduction. Zinc to zinc plus 2 is oxidation. Copper plus 2 to copper is reduction. Write the cell reaction taking place in the cell. See, left hand side always oxidation takes place. Right hand side always reduction takes place. It means copper will turn into Cu plus 2. Copper will turn into Cu plus 2. Silver plus will turn into silver. Okay, now just to balance them. Copper to copper plus 2 electrons. Silver plus to silver means 1 electron. So you are multiplying this equation with 2. So this is the balanced equation. Correct? See, you have completed 4 questions. Right? What is Nernst equation? Write the equation for an electrode with electrode reaction Mn plus n electrons gives rise to M. Okay, this generally M when you are mentioning that may be metal or non-metal. Here it is given reduction. Okay, now Mn plus n electrons gives rise to M. An equation used to calculate the potential of metal or non-metal single electrode at any concentration measured with respect to standard hydrogen electrode is called Nernst equation. So at any concentration for non-metals and metals you can calculate. E is equal to E naught plus 0.059 by n log C for metals. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n log M by Mn plus. This is for non-metals. Okay, now simply remember this. A negative E naught indicates that the redox couple is dash reducing couple than H plus. Okay, powerful or weak, or you say simply strong or weak. It means strong reducing couple. Negative means strong reducing couple. A positive E naught indicates that the redox couple is a weaker. Okay, now so here reducing couple. Same meaning, the logic I will tell you, very simple. Hydrogen's value is taken as 0 beta. Very simple thing you see. Lithium reduction SRP values I am saying. SRP values of lithium is going to be minus 3 something. And zinc, this you take minus 0.74. All these will be having some minus values. And some like copper 0.34. When you are going to fluorine, it will be around 2.9 like that. So when these values are given here, simple concept is if the value is more negative, that is strongest reducing agent. If the value is more positive, that is strongest oxidizing agent. So this series is called electrochemical series. In this series, top elements are strong reducing agents with negative value, negative value, negative value. Okay, if the value is positive, that is oxidizing agent. Write the cell reaction for which E cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT by 2F Mg plus 2 by Ag plus whole square. Okay, now here you can see Mg to Mg plus 2, 2 electrons is oxidation reaction. 2Ag plus 2 electron gives rise to 2Ag reduction half reaction. So overall reaction is like this. How is Gibbs energy related to the cell E? That is EMF mathematically. Delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. Very, very, very important reaction. Delta G naught is Gibbs energy change. N is number of electrons involved in the reaction. F is Faraday 96,500 and E naught cell is E naught cell. Right. So what are the products obtained at the platinum anode and platinum cathode respectively in the electrolysis of fused sodium chloride? Fused sodium chloride means NaCl will be giving you Na plus ions and Cl minus ions. Sodium plus ions discharged as sodium, chloride ions will be converted into Cl2. So at anode Cl2, at cathode sodium. Direct points you can write, you will be awarded for 2 marks. Give the products obtained at the platinum electrodes when aqueous solution of K2SO4 is electrolyzed. K2SO4 means you are getting there K plus and SO4 minus 2. But aqueous solution H plus and OH minus. Discharge potential of H plus is less, so it will be deposited. Discharge potential of OH minus is less, so it will be deposited. Remember, first A group elements, second A group elements and aluminium. When you take their aqueous solutions, they are not deposited. Hydrogen will come. Sulfates, nitrates type of anions also, they are not deposited. In that case, oxygen will come. Remember this point. Write the chemical equation corresponding to the oxidation of H2O at the platinum. Argue the chemical equation that represents the reduction of liquid water at the platinum electrode. See, oxidation at the anode giving you oxygen gas, reduction at the cathode giving you hydrogen gas. So overall reaction, if you see, 6H2O gives rise to 2H2 plus O2 plus 4OH minus plus 4H plus. This is nothing but 4 water now. So overall reaction is simple. 2H2O gives rise to 2H2 plus O2. Give one example for secondary battery and give the cell reaction. The complete cell reaction can be represented as follows. That is LHS and RHS. He is asking secondary battery. Pb plus PbO2 plus H2SO4 gives rise to PbSO4 plus H2O. And here 2 Faradays are required. This is very, very important reaction, secondary battery. Nowadays you are getting question in JE main also. Give the cell reaction of nickel cadmium secondary battery. Cadmium undergoes oxidation to CdO, that is Cd plus 2. Nickel undergoes reduction to nickel. Okay, now here you see nickel plus 3 is there, that is converted to nickel plus 2. Nickel cadmium secondary battery reaction. What is metallic corrosion? Give example. The natural tendency of conversion of a metal into its mineral compound on interaction with the environment, polluted air or water or associated with other metals, is known as corrosion. Okay, now rusting of iron. If you see long standing iron rods outside in the grounds, otherwise old building iron rods, and all this you can see with rusting. That's a natural process. From 17 onward, these questions of chemical kinetics, we will discuss those later. So the natural tendency of conversion of a metal into its mineral compound on interaction with the environment, that is polluted air or water are associated with other metals, it is known as corrosion. So these are the important electrochemistry very short answer questions. So basically we were concentrating on Daniell cell. Okay, now what the reactions are happening at cathode and anode, then electrolysis, which metals gives you metals, which metals will give you That means metal compounds will give you hydrogen and all that. Thank you guys. Meet you with more questions soon. This is LR sir. Like, share, subscribe if you really like it. Thank you.